DIY audio amplifier using TD-A2822M. Input voltage should only be 4 volt to 8 volt. Never use 12 volt. The IC will pop. But if you have a regulator, you can use 12 volt to convert it to the proper voltage. If 12 volt, it's kind of higher volume. You can also add a potentiometer to the input of the audio to adjust the volume. But for me, you can just adjust the volume here. It has a distortion also, but the quality of the sound is good. See? Let's try putting it to 4 volt. But I need to test the voltage. Okay, this is the positive. It makes this kind of sound when there is no audio input. I think this can be reduced by using an LC circuit or filter circuit, low pass filter or high pass filter. This is the 4 volt input. Well, it's still very loud. See? I think I will build one. I will put these components to a PCB or prototype board for prototype. Well, to test like that. Thank you guys for watching.